Hi, this is Dellyman. I just want to show you how easy it is to book an order on Dellyman um, web platform, right? So this is the web. You can also book through the mobile app for Android and also the mobile app for iOS. But this is a demonstration of how to book an order using the web app. So when we say the web app, it can also either be on your laptop, your desktop, it can be on your tablet. Even if you're using an iPhone, you'll be doing it through Safari browser. So basically, this is using the web browser, whether it's a Chrome, it's an Internet Explorer, it's a Firefox, Mozilla. As long as it's a browser, this is the step you're going to follow. Okay. So I'm assuming also that you're already registered and that you're not logged in yet. Okay. You have an account, but you're not logged in. So you get started by clicking on the menu called Sign In Register. I'm going to click on that. And you have this option of are you a customer or a delivery company? Obviously, this is a customer demo. So I'm going to click on Sign Up or Sign In. Because you already have an account, so you will be interacting with this left side. New customers will have to sign up through the right panel. Okay, so your email address and your password. If you are the kind of person like me who saves password on a browser, then your password will automatically be pre-filled, although they will be hidden, and you can just click on sign in. What if I don't save my password? Then I will just need to enter the password here. Make sure that the email is correct as well. And then you can click on sign in. If for any reason you forget your your password, then you just click on forgot password. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in now. Not updating. So I get to the dashboard, right? This is the dashboard. It's more like your home page as a customer. And then you get this pop-up, nice looking pop-up that says, do you want to book an order, proceed to book, or do you want to just look around? Okay. Show me around means you want to take a look at all this menu and what exactly they mean. But this morning we're just talking about, how to book. So I'm going to go ahead and click proceed to book. So I get the first form. In this part, you can get an estimate before you start to book. There are times when a customer just wants to check the estimate, the cost of moving a package from point A to point B. So in this particular instance, I'm going to just use some addresses. I can type the address in the first field here for pickup and then also type in the delivery address. So that's one option. The other option is to use addresses from my saved address book. Okay. If you're just starting out and it's your first order, there'll be nothing in your saved address book. But as you continue to book on the platform, you can save yourself some time by just looking at the saved addresses. In my case, I've picked up items from these locations, okay? But recently also, I have picked up items from these two locations. So you have frequently used addresses, and of course, you also have recently used address. You can choose any of them. So I'm going to choose from a frequently used address, and in this case, it will be CMD Road, Magodo, okay? So it prefills it automatically for me. For my delivery address, I'm not going to choose from the same delivery address. I also have them here, okay, just for emphasis. So just to show you how to enter the address manually, assuming you don't have anything saved in your save address, or you want to enter a new address that doesn't exist in your saved address book. So here I'm going to type, let's say 73 Allen Avenue, and make sure as you type that you're able to find a matching address proposed by Google itself. There's no point entering an address and you can't see it on the Google list. That will make the estimate wrong and may even make it impossible for you, for the system to propose companies or riders that can do your pickup. Okay, so you just make sure that the address you're typing is also shown in the list. That means that that address is recognized by Google. So I'm going to choose this particular one. Next, you need to choose the carrier. We have different carrier because Dellyman is a multi-carrier platform. So I can choose bike, tricycle, minivan. As of today, because of speed of delivery and number of partners on the platform, we have more bikes. Okay, the principle is the same, but I'm going to choose use bike for this demo. And then what's the weight of your package? If you know the weight, just enter it here in kilograms. If you don't know the weight, then I suggest you just put 1. But that field must be completed. And then you click on Get Estimate. What the system is doing right now is that it is checking for companies that are close to pickup location, basically riders of these companies that are close to pickup locations. So you get an idea of how far the riders are to your pickup. This first company is 5 kilometers away. That means there's at least one rider closest to pickup or one rider within 5 kilometers. City clusters, there is at least a rider that is about 8 kilometers from pickup, and so on and so forth. You can also see reviews. Michael Yims has 11 reviews. I can click on it just to see what customers are saying about the quality of service from that company. Very impressive. It's the best app for delivery I've used so far. Delivery was fast. First time using the app and totally love it, on point, and so on and so forth. Very good, rating, I must say, for the services provided on this platform. Okay, so if you're not ready to book, you can just click on cancel. But if you just want to proceed to book, then you click that button that says proceed to book, which is what I've done. This is really the pickup request form. This is where you provide more details about your pickup and your delivery. There are 2 delivery options. It's either a standard, which is normal price, or an express delivery, which is basically instant. If I click on express delivery, it doesn't ask me for pickup windows and delivery windows because it's going to pick up, the rider will be asked to pick up the package immediately and then head off to the destination or delivery point also immediately. So this is speed, right? But it comes at a price. So it's higher or it's more expensive. So I'm going to use the standard delivery. Okay. And I choose obviously that was the carrier that I selected in the previous page. I'm going to choose my pickup date. Today is Saturday. The moment you choose the date, you'll have the option to select your pickup time. These are the pickup windows, and they are in 1.5 hour time slots. For example, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m., and so on and so forth. And that's the last pickup window for the day. Okay, so let me just choose the 11:30 to 1 p.m. And on the basis of this pickup time, it will also propose possible delivery windows, which are also in 1.5 hours time slot. Okay, because I have a pickup window of 11:30 to 1 p.m., I will not be able to select that same time for delivery. So the earliest delivery time will be 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. As you can see, these are 1.5 hours, meaning that the total delivery timeline can really be like up to 3 hours. Okay, but that's really super fast, right? Sometimes you might be lucky and then the delivery is even done less than 1 hour or within 1 hour. But the plan is not to exceed 3 hours. So I'm going to choose this on. Sometimes maybe it's not the next delivery window you want because you may not be available, your receiver may not be available. So you have all of these options. So I'm going to choose 4 p.m. to 5:30. Okay. Don't worry about cash on delivery and buy insurance for now. We'll cover that in another video. All right. So the pickup information came from the saved address, okay, with the landmark. And then the delivery information will ask me what is my package description. But this is a test. I will just say this is a test package. Okay. And that's the kilogram or the weight of the package as was entered in the previous screen. My saved address or delivery address is there, but I need the receiver's name. Very important. You can see that the receiver, the pickup details earlier filled from the saved addresses also includes the name and the telephone number. So now I have to do the same thing for delivery details. because I didn't select the delivery from the saved address. So it didn't type the recipient name and telephone number. So let's say the receiver is John, Bain, okay? And then the telephone number is 080, okay? Just make sure that it's 11 digits. The nearest bus stop is like a landmark, so I'll just say opposite First Bank, okay? Opposite First Bank. Leave the add more packages field. Default is 1. Just leave it there because it means that I'm sending one package. In another video, we'll show you how to send multiple packages from one pickup location to different destinations. And the last field to worry about is the trip mode, right? So this is the trip mode. What it means is I can send something one way, which means pick it up, deliver it, and that is the end of story. Or I can do a return trip. Some cases, customers may say, pick it up, drop it at the delivery location, bring back another package, okay, from the delivery location back to the pickup location. A good example is also when people send documents and are asking for proof of delivery. So take this document from point A to point B, and then get it signed, to show that you delivered. So get a signed copy back to the pickup location. So in that case, you will use the round trip, okay? And the system will bill for that return journey. So I'm going to do one way for now, and then you click on get quotes. So the same information about each of the company it found. You can see the number of orders each of them have done. That gives an idea of their capacity. This company, Michael Yims, has done 2,762 orders. But they have the rider that is closest to pick up. So that's why they are listed first on top of the page. If their prices are also different, you will see different prices. So it's easy for you to make a decision on the basis of price, the number of orders that have been executed on the platform, their reviews or ratings, and of course their reviews you can read, and then how close is at least one rider to the pickup location. So once I'm satisfied here, remember I chose one way. What is it again? I think there was something I missed out, but anyway. So I'm going to say confirm order. Okay? I want to select this company. So I say confirm order. So my order has been booked. Order 36331, okay, is created. And from this point, the back office team at Dellyman will take up the responsibility of ensuring that the rider gets to you. Okay. What if I want to know what's happening with my orders? You go to the dashboard again, and you can see very clearly that that order that was just booked, you will find it under pending. Pending orders are new orders that have either been accepted or assigned to a rider, or they are waiting to be accepted or assigned. So essentially, they have not been picked. Once they are picked, they will be in transit, and once they are delivered, they will go to completed. So this particular order that I just booked, okay, you will find it under pending. So that's the order there, order 36331. Okay, if you click on it, you can get a bit more detail. You can obviously cancel the order for some reasons. If you feel you don't want the order to be done again, you can cancel it. A cancellation request will be sent to the back office admin, and then the order will be cancelled. Okay. Once your order is in transit, I'm not sure I have an in transit order. Okay, you also be able to see a delivery code somewhere here. Okay, that allows you you need that delivery code, okay, to be sent to the receiver of the package, who will now present that to the rider at the point of delivery, so that the package is not delivered to the wrong person. Once that package has been delivered, then your order will move to completed. So this is the list of completed items that have been done using my account. So you can see this is just straightforward, right? Thank you so very much. If you have any question, you can always go to our website. That's our email address for inquiry. That's our email address for support. If in the course of your booking you have issues, you can actually send email to support@dellyman.com, and you can call us on this phone number as well. Thank you so very much, and I'll see you at the next video.